In the heart of the asphalt industry, where personal connections and values reign supreme, stands CWMF, a proud family-owned business committed to excellence. Our story is a testament to the legacy we uphold, a legacy built on commitment to quality and innovation, proudly designed and built right here in America. As a small family-owned company producing substantial equipment, we take pride in our close collaboration with our customers. We're not just suppliers, we're partners in helping you run at peak efficiency, optimizing overall plant performance. Specializing in custom-designed hot mix asphalt plant equipment, we understand the unique operational needs of each customer. Our approach is rooted in the values of flexibility, integrity, excellence, loyalty, and drive. With decades of experience, we bring consultative approach to service and solutions, customizing solutions and anticipating problems with the efficiency of CAD software. Our goal is to provide time and cost savings, reducing waste throughout the project lifecycle. As a full-service family-owned company, CWMF engineers most products to order, from cold feed bins to entire plants. Our in-house production ensures quality from start to finish. Whether you're operating or planning an asphalt plant, CWMF is here for you, addressing your needs at every stage with dedication, consultation, and support.